Question number 10 is written. Susanne is a trader. She received a check from Zahir, a creditor customer, for $300. This check was incorrectly debited to Zahir's account and credited to the bank account. Well, in this transaction, two accounts are involved, the bank account for the check received and Zahir's account. You know, both of these accounts are assets accounts. Upon receiving the check, the bank, the asset should have increased, and Zahir's account, it is another asset account, should have been decreased for making payment. Therefore, the correct entry should have been debit the bank account by $300 and credit Zahir's account by the same amount of $300. However, the opposite entry was recorded. Instead of debiting the bank account, it was credited, and instead of crediting Zahir's account, it was debited by $300. Okay? To rectify, we will reverse this wrongly passed entry. I want to say you that we will debit the bank account and credit Zahir's account. You can see that this entry matches with options A and option B, meaning one of these two options is correct. Now let's analyze the amount as well. When we reverse the wrongly passed entry, the effect of this error is cancelled. Now we pass the entry again with the correct debit and credit amounts. The corrected amounts, the $600, will be the amount to show in this journal entry, which is seen in option B. So the correct option is option B. I hope you are following.